Hello and welcome to my VV Beta graphics tutorial. My name is Takuma Nakata. I'm an interaction designer based in Kyoto. So into this tutorial, this is going to be a really quick one. I'm going to share how to install packs into your folder. And packs are defined as these plugins, for example, DirectX 11 nodes or particle packs or anything. Most of stuff recently in contribution are called packs. So if you want to use like super physical or packs image or whatever, like field trip or instance noodle, you have to create a folder called pack and you have to install them there. And since from the comments I realized that there's some people having problem with this, I decided to quickly share how you can get these working. So yeah, let's get started. So if you go to download here, the first thing you have to do is just have to install the version that you want to use. Most of the time I use 64-bit. I've almost never used 32-bit, but I believe there's still some plugins that only works on 32-bit, but this is very rare. So most of the time I think 64 should be okay. And once you install these, you should be having this kind of folder. So in my case, I have a random folder that's called vvvv. And here I have all my vvvv versions listed. So I recently installed this betas 41 preview. So I'm going to double click here. So this should be how in default your vvvv is. And to install, for example, DirectX 11 nodes, which is most of the time needed. So I would recommend installing this if you haven't. I'll just scroll down here, and here there is a place called download. And depending on the version you installed, I'll just follow 64-bit. So you just download this one. And once you click this, the download should start. And sometimes downloading it from here has some problem. And in that case, just try visiting the GitHub, which most of the time it's linked here. And then if you go to DirectX 9, and here, I think this one is the recent one. So then, yeah, so this GitHub should be the master and it should be the brand new one. So if you had any problem like Red Node or whatever, try downloading it from here as well. If you click this code, you should be able to click this download zip and you should get similar kind of result. But anyways, today I'll just go with the this download area since DirectX 11 should work. So back here, so at the moment I don't have a folder called pack, but I have to create a folder called pack to make this DirectX 11 packs working. And packs is most of the time defined as plugins or whatever is called in different software. In vvvv it's called packs. So I'll create a folder called packs. And make sure you don't spell mistake this folder. So this one has to be, how do I press this work? Yeah, packs. So you have to create a folder called packs in this directory, nowhere else here. So vvv beta, whatever version. And then here you need a folder called packs. However, as you've already realized, if I open up zip folder in DirectX 11 nodes, the first directory is already called packs. So I can directly drag this here without creating this folder, but some of the packs don't come with this packs folder. So I usually just create it by myself. So what I would do next is I'll just open up this packs folder. And then here, there should be a folder called DX11. So I'll just drag and drop this one inside this packs folder. And after it's done moving, as you can see, I should get this DX11 folder here. And once this is done, if I open up vvvv, I should be able to access all these DX11 related patches. As you can see here now, I have all these DX11 related nodes inside my vvvv. And before I placed this pack folder, these weren't there. So this is the way to install packs folder. However, one trick, so as I mentioned, if you download it from the GitHub folder, so let's try downloading this one, going back here, code, and download zip. And then once this is done downloading, takes a bit of time. Well, what I wanted to show here is that, sometimes, so this one, if I download from GitHub, it doesn't have that folder called packs. So you have to create this packs folder by yourself. And another problem is, as you can see, the one from GitHub is called dx11 vvvv master. And I'm not really sure, but I don't think together with these dx11 packs would work. I'm not really sure, so I'll just try deleting this one. Wait, I need to quit vvvv. Quit. And then let me throw this into the garbage. And then I'll just drag and drop this one into my packs folder. So I just dragged and dropped inside here. And let's see if this works or not. And this is just a test. I'm not really sure if it would or not, but let's give it a try. dx11. Oh, well, it does work. Wait, no. I don't think this is working. No. These are not working. So as you can see, I now miss most of the dx11 packs, and that is because the name of this folder inside packs is wrong. So we don't need this vvvv master thingy. To get this reloaded, I just have to quit vvv again and change the name here, delete it, and then again, let's just open up vvvv and dx11. Here we go. Wait, it's not here. Come on. Okay, this is weird. I think the directory here is a bit wrong. Oh yeah, it's not correct. Oh, this one has to be compiled. Oh no, this one has to be built. Sorry. So yeah, there should be another way to. Yeah, I'm not really sure how to use how to say GitHub. Oh, there you go. So here we have a pre-release build with your interface. So now I can download it from here. Okay. I'm sorry, I had a wrong way of installing it. So, oh, it's not correct. Oh, dx11 packs. Here we go. So if you go here, yep. Oh yeah, here we go. So now we have all these packs. So you can download the correct packs from the build page. Sorry. So if you download from the GitHub directly, you have to build it by yourself. And I don't know how to do that. But here, if you download from this, so if I go back again to dx11, there is a place called releases. And from here, the recent one, and then it has vvv packs dx11. So for me, it's 64 bits. So here, then you should be able to download the most recent dx11 packs. And here, it's inside the packs folder, so you can create your own packs folder, or you can just double click this one and drag this one into your folder. So this is the first way. So now I just delete this one again, and I'll just drag and drop, not this one. I thought I already installed. I'll just double click again. Go. And then I'll just drag and drop this one here. And let's start vvvv. So now I've got tons of dx11 nodes, and we can start playing around with this. So this is the first way to install packs into vvvv. However, there is another way, and I believe this one is more handy, and also it's updated. So sometimes these contributions are not up to date, and you have to go to GitHub and blah blah blah, and that's also a bit confusing. In that case, I would recommend installing VPM into your desktop. So this is sort of like a, how to say, standalone installing management packs. I'm not really sure what it's called correctly, but you can download once you have this VPM installed, you can download the most recent packs from this page. So we have CV image pack, we have MD core, we have MPDX, field trip, and they are most of the case, like if you see here, 2020 seems to be the most recent packs. It seems like some of them, like field trip, I don't think this one is the most recent one. But yeah, you just have to be sure that you're just check these date and go back. And for example, let's look for field trip. Field trip. Yeah, I believe at last node, they released a field trip. Yeah, I had a wrong spelling. So here, contribution, I don't need the blog. No, I don't need the blog. So I'll just go here. And then field trip does have, yeah, this one is updated on 2020 February 10th. So this one is more recent than the one from here. It gets a bit complicated, but I mean, this is also very handy. So I would also recommend installing this VPM. And the way to do this is quite simple. You just have to download VPM. Yeah, so if you go to the download latest release from GitHub, once you click this, you should see this VPM 1.3.7 zip. And 7-zip is a format like zip. So I think you have to install an app that can open up 7-zip. So once you have this, you should get these and place these to a location that you wouldn't move. So don't put it on your desktop, because if you move this, it would get a bit confused. I have it in my Windows C and then vvvv, and I have it right here so that I wouldn't move these together with these versions as well. So once I move this, double click this, and then a command line should open up. VPM at your service, found a vvvv and register. Do you want to register this VPM instance? And it says Y or N, and it makes your life so much easier. So I will just click yes, enter. Oh, why? Can't write to register, yes. And then VPM would, why, yes. And then it would ask you something. Okay. Do you want to register VPN instance? Yes. Register process of, all right, enjoy. So now I can start downloading, how to say, packs from VPN. So for example, let's try installing DX11. Oh, vvvv. So this one, and I would like to have the contribution, and then open VPM. Once you click it, and if you have a VPM registered, then it should automatically open up VPM. And the first thing you'll see is these two. However, I realized that I have a problem here. So it's trying to install the packs into my previous version, but I want this into this version rather than this version. So yeah, and this is not the right version. If this shows up for you, and if this is wrong, then what you can do, you can just drag and drop the folder here, and then press OK. And then I would just say overwrite yes. And if you should license anymore, is it users? Yes. Yes. And then if you press Y and enter, and then you'll start installing the brand new DX11 into your vvvv. And then when this progress bar is done, you should have DX11 packs installed into your packs folder. And I believe it also creates a packs folder automatically, so that you don't really have to create it by your own. So if you're too lazy to create your own packs, arrange it from the contribution. VPN is your life-saving tool to get this working. So once it's done, installed, I can actually see. So DX11 packs is installed right here. So, but however, I already had a DX11 packs installed, so it's really hard to see the difference. So I'll try same process with the DX11 particle packs. So I just clicked here and then it opened up these again. However, it's asking me to change this location, and it's quite annoying. So I'm gonna delete this, and I'm going to register VPN again. To do so, what you have to do is, so the reason why it was accessing VPN was accessing my previous version is because if you open up your vvvv and if you go to this config, realize that there is a place called file type association v4p, and right now my file type is associated to beta 40, not to 41. So I'll just click this one, check here, file type association, and then I'll just check this one and then close. Once this is done, every vvv patch you would start by double clicking should start up with this beta 41.0007, and that's what it means. So now I will go to vvvv again, and then I will press yes, enter, yes, enter, and then okay, yes, enter. All right, enjoy. And now I should be able to open up the DX11 particles packs again, and then boom. So now my VPN is accessing the beta 41, which is the version that I want a VPN to install the brand new packs. So now I'll press OK. Yes. Yes. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, particle packs needs DX11 as well. So it's installing DX11 first, and then I should start installing DX11 particles. So I guess most of the time using this VPN would be the easiest way to install a packs into your vvvv, to your brand new vvv. For example, you don't want to drag and drop all the packs folder from a folder. This way is way easier, and it makes sure that you have the most recent one. Some of it weren't recent, but I guess most of them are stable. So if you're having any problem with certain packs, try installing it from VPN. So now it says enjoy, and if I open up here, now I have a DX11 particle packs, which should example, which in my case it all should work without getting anything red. So as you can see now, I'm starting it up from the most recent version, and here we go. I don't have any single red nodes here. Oh, well, I do have. Oh, so okay, so for this one, I need an instance noodle, and I don't have an instance noodle installed, so I can also try installing that just to make sure that nothing is wrong. Okay, I'll just close this one, quit, and then as you can see, now I don't have to drag and drop the folder name anymore. It's how do you say? It's dynamically pointing the right directory. So I just say yes, yes, yes. It's again installing DX11. I think you can also yeah, do you want to replace it? I had to press no for here because it keeps installing DX11 all the time. But it's okay for now. Yeah, but anyway, this is the most easiest way to install brand new packs into your vvv, and once you have it all installed, then at least the ones that are here, and the ones that are here are the most important ones and the most functional ones. So you can just install these directly from here and then use it in your vvv beta, whatever version you have. So, and the ones that are not here, just go to the contribution and find it out and drag and drop into your packs folder if it says you have to put it in your packs folder. If it doesn't say you have to put it in your packs folder, I'm quite sure they don't have to be in the packs folder. For example, this one, yeah, it also installation. Oh yeah, so this one also says copy packs folder to your vv root directory. So this one also has to be in the packs folder. But some of them, not all of them, has to be in the packs folder. For example, I don't think this bat mapper needs to be in the packs folder. No, so this one could be wherever you want. Okay, so it seems like my instance noodle finished is done installing. So now if I open this one up, it's still having a red node. Why is that? Oh, it's not in my... Oh, did it crash? Oh yeah, I think it didn't install. Yeah, I think it just crashed. The command line just crashes for some reason. It's not a big problem. Instance. Okay. Nope. Ah. Yeah, I had to press yes. Well, anyway, this is the way to install packs into your vvvv. And if you have any problem, if you have any red nodes, try installing it different way. Try getting it from the GitHub. Try getting it from the contribution. Try using VPN. Try installing it from a previous, try installing previous version from GitHub, and if you have problem even trying all of them, then comment write a comment on my YouTube. Maybe I would be able to answer it. I'm not really sure, because most of the time what I do is I just go through all the types. If I see red nodes, of the node that I want to use, I just go through different types of installation and try to get it working. So yeah, that was it for today. I thought it was going to be a short tutorial, but it turned out to be quite long. And anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.